Hi and welcome to the latest in this exciting series about how to send an email through MailChimp. So if you remember last time, what we did was we did a very basic setup of an email. We copied and pasted some text that I had in one of my own emails into an email that we might send out to the list. We created that email from a template and we edited it in such a way so that it appeared with a different name in this list of campaigns that we've got here. And what we're going to do this time is style the text appropriately that we pasted in last time, and we're also going to add a little bit more text ready for the next screencast, which will be about inserting images. Okay, so if I click on the name of the email to be sent, I get this familiar screen here which we came across last time, and I'm just going to recap what that screen is. We can change the list that the email is destined to be sent to. For the moment it's destined for the boycott test list, and we'll just leave it like that for the moment. If we did want to change it, we would hit this edit button and pick a different list. We can change the subject line, and we did last time. This is where replies to the email we sent out get sent to, but it's here under HTML email that we edit the message itself. So I'm going to hit edit, and we can see that this is our email ready, or starting to be ready to be sent, and we want to hit edit the body of this message. So I'm going to hit edit, and we come to the MailChimp editor, and what we don't really like is this style here. So let's change this style. Saturday the 18th of June. Now, one of the things that's really nice about this editor is I can clear any style that I don't like. So I've selected Saturday the 18th of June, and I'm going to send it back to just default text style by selecting it there and then hitting clear styles. That's a really good way of, if you ever sort of lose track of how you've got to something and just need to reset it, that's effectively what we've done here, is using the clear styles. So it's now default text, and I'm going to increase the font size to 18. I think I'm going to make it bold. We've got a little bit too much space here, so I'm going to send it back one, like that. And I'm also going to now clear these styles. So I've got all that selected. I'm going to clear those styles. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this down here, and I'm going to make it into a bulleted list. Anything else that I want to do? What I did there, sorry, that was very rude. Let's get back there. I just wanted to check that these links had been preserved from the copying and pasting, and they have. So by double clicking on this underlined text there, I can see that the link has been preserved. Okay, so that seems alright for that bit of text. What I'm going to do here is And you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to do... Sorry, I've got a bit of... I'm not saying anything because you can see what I'm doing. It looks to be in bold at the moment, so I've selected it and we can see that it is in bold because you see the B slightly highlighted. I'm going to take that off. I think you like to start your boycott messages with "Dear Boycotters," so I'm going to change that. Dr. Boycotters. That's not right, surely. So, we're starting to get there now. We've nearly got a complete email ready to send. I'm going to save this now, and in the next screencast I'll show you how to insert an image.